Hey guys, this is Mr. Tech Guy, and today I'm back with a video, and today I'm going to show you that how you can install GTA 5 mod menu. So it is pretty simple. You're gonna need some files. I'll provide the files in the description. You can download it from there. The files will be these two: the script hook version 1.0 and enhanced trainer version 0.0.2. So the first step of installation is you have to extract this script hook version 1.0. You have to just go into the bin folder and copy these three files into your GTA 5 installation directory. I have copied it from first only. So again you have to go and extract this enhanced trainer. It is a updated version of trainer, so you don't need to update it afterwards. You have to do the same thing again. You have to copy these three files into your installation directory and you are done. Then just open your game and I'll be back. So I have launched my game, and as you can see now, by pressing F4 you can open this native trainer, and these are all the options which you can mod in this game. So I'll try the vehicle spawner first and see the cars. There are all types of cars. As you can see, even I was pretty worried that it was working or not, and I'll spawn this one. Yeah, it's good, and it's working pretty smooth. And for exiting the trainer you have to press the 0 on the numpad, and you have to and it's pretty cool. So I need a bodyguard now, so we'll press F4 and go to bodyguard, and you have to just navigate this menu by pressing the numpad keys. And where's my bodyguard? Here it is. He's my bodyguard now. As you can see, I'll pull out my gun, and he has also started pulling out, and it's fun time. So this mod is pretty stable and you will love it, guys. So this is it, guys. So if this video was helpful for you, do subscribe my channel and do like this video, and stay tuned for new videos. Peace.